Tucked away in an unexpected corner of South America stands a breathtaking Mediterranean villa. From the outside, it's all timeless elegance. Stucco walls glowing in the sun, hand-laid stone, terracotta roofs, graceful arches, and wrought iron balconies that transport you straight to the coast of Italy or Spain. But the moment that you will step through these magnificent doors, everything changes. What appeared to be a classic Mediterranean villa suddenly unfolds into a celebration of cultures from around the world. Old world craftsmanship meets unexpected influence where every carved beam, handcrafted mosaic, sculptured arches, and custom detailing tells a story centuries in the making. This is more than a beautiful home. It's an architectural journey. Every room has its own personality, its own soul, and its own cultural identity. One space will whisper so much romance of Europe, and another one embraces the artistry of ancient civilizations, while others surprises you with handcrafted details inspired by distant lands. Yet, somehow, every element blends together in perfect harmony. This isn't simply a residence. No, it's a masterpiece of storytelling through design. A home where history, culture, and craftsmanship, and of course, imagination come together. Here you could see the Romeo and Juliet staircase, embracing the magnificent double-height arched door with carved mahogany and amazing wrought iron inserts. As you walk up, you will notice the cultural influences of the Middle East, where you will have hand-carved scrolls into mahogany, and they are gilded into silver leaf with gold leaf accents, embraced by magnificent architectural molding, showing and embracing the 24-foot high ceiling in the grand entry. As you will walk through these grand staircases, you will also find magnificent living room embracing hand-carved mahogany, gilded, but this is bringing a touch of French history, as well as the water jet marble floors encasing 22 different marbles, creating beautiful elegance. But then again, you walk into the family sitting where the ceiling is lower. You will see magnificent panel ceilings with copper and silver leaves hugging you all around, with arched doors going into the piazza. The seating is very comfortable and modern. Comfortable chenille fabrics with chaise lounges and water jet cut around the hand-tufted luxury area rug. This family sitting sits in the center of the home, and that is where the family sits. Therefore, we created a CNC cut Arabic style influence by their culture, and you will see a separation between the two sitting areas, yet is one grand sitting salon. The chandeliers act as the jewelry within the home. Then, of course, the water jet cut as well. Then we walk into the loft, where you could see a casual sitting area for the family. Because this family has younger children, they wanted to create their own little space, study hall, where they will sit and do homework, yet continuing the elegance, yet very practical and durable fabrics, as well as a casual atmosphere. As you enter the master suite, there will be a magnificent sitting room where people will enjoy their lifestyle tea time. Within the woodwork, you will also notice that there will be little elements that carry through the rest of the design throughout the architecture of the home. But yet tucked in through that sitting room, you will see the grand master bedroom. Very casual and elegant. The long hallways are no longer hallways, they are galleries. Every gallery hallway has touches of historical art depicting of their culture, as well as a custom created wainscoting trimmed in gold leaf. We used over 500,000 sheets of gold leaf for this home. You will notice gold leaf themes throughout the ceilings as well as the walls, but more than anything, this magnificent March Carson chairs. The March Carson chairs act as a throne because the throne style chair sits in the dining room a total of 20 people. Embracing the dining room table, you also have water jet. Here we are in the master suite again, where you are being hugged by velvet, tufted, beautiful arch headboard around another magnificent hand-carved historical reproduction headboard, bringing in a little bit of the Baroque and Rococo style. The ceiling is going to hug the whole bedroom because it is a lower ceiling in this room for comfort, luxury, and elegance, bringing in the romance with the finishes throughout, as well as hand-touched pieces within the room itself. Oh, that chaise lounge is the perfect spot for relaxation. And then you continue the walkthrough to the magnificent master bathroom, where hand-carved wood continues, and it also gives you an incredible vanity area as required for their needs in this particular home. Of course, a Roman tub tucked away in the corner. When the window opens, you will see the magnificent view this home has to offer, yet still have private elements throughout. 3 children live in this room, and all the girls wanted their own princess bedrooms. Every bedroom has the flavor of a princess suite. One of them loves the blue, and the blue accents are throughout. The bed is a reproduction of a Baroque style, but with a modern twist in the silver leaf colors for a lighter and fresher look for a teenage. Every bathroom has a different personality, including a fusion of modern technology with the sound technology, as well as frameless glass, but yet still bringing in the carved details. The other girl wanted her own princess bed too, but she liked pink, and this was created with touches of pink on her drapes as well as her canopy bed. Magnificent carved detail throughout. Every wall has hand frescoes with gold leaf, as well as Bombay chess from March Carson, which is one of the best companies creating these carved details. Even the bathrooms will have carved details, as well as water jet cut inserts on the walls, and the doors were customized also by adding medallions with the gold leaf touches. The difference is in the details. Whether we're going with a vessel sink and a Murano glass, is still going to bring in that old world touches in the mirror frames, as well as the insert panels of the doors of every cabinet. We all need a beautiful breakfast table within the kitchen. Of course, because this is a large family, we need a minimum of 8 people in the breakfast room. The drapes are very classic and elegant also because it hugs those windows. Here you could see the breakfast room connected into the magnificent kitchen. Light woods were used throughout the kitchen, giving it a more modern twist, but yet with the classic lines. Of course, the ceilings also hugging you. Touches of classic, touches of Louis XV, Louis XVI, and all those reproductions were added, but with a modern twist, meaning the new finishes, which is light and airy.